Hello, students. Today we are going to learn how to find the value of trigonometric ratios for the angle 45 degree. So trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So this is triangle ABC. So let ABC be a isosceles right triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to x units and angle B equal to 90 degree. So AB equals to BC equal to x. So ABx and BCx. Now students, we know that an angle B equals to 90 degree. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle A, angle B 90 degree plus angle C equal to 180. But student, AB equal to AC, AB equal to BC. So angle in front of AB, C, or angle in front of angle C is A, both are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So we can write angle A equal to angle C, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So here we can write angle A plus 90 degree. At the place of angle C we can write angle A. Twice of angle A equals to 180 minus 90. Twice of angle A equal to 90. Angle A equal to 90 upon 2. Angle A equal to 45 degree. So now student, angle A equals to 45 degree. Then we can say angle C is also 45 degree. Now students, in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, we can use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. AC square, BC is x or AB is also x student. We can add x square plus x square. AC square equal to 2x square. AC equal to root 2x square. It will be root 2x units. Okay students. So we have got here AC equals to root 2x. Now students, let us find all values for angle A. So we know that sine A equals to P upon H. So angle A value is 45 degree. Just proved student. Okay. So for angle A equals to BC upon AC. BC upon AC. BC is x. And AC calculated just now. AC equal to root 2x. So x upon root 2x. X's cancel. 1 upon root 2. Similarly, student, cos A equals to B upon H. Cos 45 degree. A is 45 student. Base AB. Hypotenuse AC. So AB is x. On AC is root 2x. X's cancel. Cos 45 1 upon root 2. Correct students. Now tan A. Tan A equals to P upon B. Angle A equals 45 degree. Tan 45 degree students. So perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Both are x. So we can add BC upon AB. X upon x cancel 1. Now cot A. B upon P. A angle 45 degree. AB base BC perpendicular. So AB upon BC. AB is x. BC is also x. Answer 1. Cot 45 degree value is 1. Now sec A equals to H upon B. Sec A value 45 degree. Sec 45 degree equals to AC. Hypotenuse is AC. And base is AB. So AC upon AB. Correct students? So AC value root 2x. AB also x. X cancel. So sec 45 is equal to root 2. Cosec A equal to H upon P. Cosec 45. Hypotenuse AC. Perpendicular BC. AC is root 2x. upon x, x cancel, equal to 2. So this is the method of finding the values of 45 degree. So remember students, to get the angle value of 45 degree, we have to draw an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equals to BC. Then we have to calculate first AC by using Pythagoras and also using angle sum property to get angle A equals to 45 degree. After then you can write all trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, put the values, then you can get the value of 45 degree for the angles. Now students, trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So here students, we are going to take, let ABC be a right angle triangle in which angle be 90 degree and angle AC be theta. You can see student, angle be 90 or angle ACB theta. So we know that student, sin theta equal to B upon H, AB upon AC, cos theta equal to B upon H, BC upon AC, tan theta equal to P upon B, AB upon BC. Now students, if theta equals to 0, if theta value is 0 student, then what will be there? AC fall down on BC. Okay. So then AB will be 0 and AC equal to CB. You can see students, if theta 0, then point A coincide with point B. This point will come at point B. So A and B will be same. You can see student here, AB will be 0. A point will come here at B and theta 0. So AC equals to BC. When theta 0 student, then AC will be BC, because A point will not be there. A point will come at B. So BC and AC both are equal students. I have mentioned here, AC equal to BC and AB equals to 0. Let us put this value here in angles. So sin 0, AB 0 student, so 0 upon AC and AC equals to BC student. So here we can add 0 upon BC equal to 0. Cos 0, theta equals to 0 student. Then BC upon AC, so AC equal to BC, so we can add BC upon BC. Okay, 1, cos 0 value 1. Now tan 0 student, for tan 0, AB 0, 0 upon BC is 0. So tan 0, 0 upon BC is 0. Now cot is the reciprocal of tan student. Cot theta equals to 1 upon tan theta. So cot 0 equals to 1 upon tan 0. So 1 upon 0, because tan 0 value is 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity, not defined. So cot 0 value is not defined. Now student, sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Sec 0 theta value 0 and cos 0 value 1. So 1 upon 1 is equals to 1. Sec 0 value 1. Now cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon cosec 0 equal to 1 upon sin 0. 1 sin 0 value is 0. 1 upon 0 is not defined. So cosec 0 equals to not defined, infinity. So these are the values of 0 degree angle student. Now students, trigonometric ratios for the angle of 90 degree. So we are going to take same diagram which we have drawn for 0 degree. The same diagram we are going to take. Now students, we are going to take theta equals to 90 degree. If theta becomes 90 degree, then AC coincide with AB. AC will be AB and BC will be 0, correct, and C point will come at B. You can see student here, theta equals to 0, then AC will be AB. C point will come at B. Okay. So BC equals to 0 and AC equal to AB. So students, if theta equal to 90, then point C coincide with point B. Then BC equal to 0 and AC equal to AB. Now students, sin theta equals to AB upon AC. So we are going to put theta equals to 90 degree here and theta equal to 90 degree, then AB upon AC, AC equal to AB now. So we can write AB upon AB, sin 91. Now student, cos theta equals to BC upon AC, theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, and BC is 0, 0 upon AC equals to 0. Cos 90, 0 upon AC equal to 0. Now student, tan theta equals to AB upon BC. Now theta equals to 0, 90 degree. AB and BC is 0 now. BC is 0. So tan 90 equals to AB upon 0, means not defined. Cot theta, cot is the reciprocal of tan, cot theta equal to 1 upon 10. So cot 90 equals to 1 upon tan 90. Tan 90 value not defined. 1 upon not defined equals to 0. 1 upon infinity equals to 0. So cot 90 value 0. Sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. Sec 90 equal to 1 upon cos 90. Cos 90 value 0. So it will be 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 not defined, means infinity. Now student, cosec 90. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cosec 90 equal to 1 upon sin 90. Sin 90 value 1 student. So 1 upon 1 equals to 1. Cosec 90 equals to 1. So student, you have to remember how can we find out the value of 0. If theta will be 0, then AC equals to BC. AC coincide with BC and AB is 0. And if theta equals to 90 degree, then BC is 0 and AC coincide with AB. Then AC equals to AB. Okay students? Okay then.